Marlo, let's have a look at how to express contact details in isiXhosa. In other words, we're going to look at telephone and email, etc. What is your telephone number? Ithini iphone number yakho? Ithini iphone number yakho? At home. Ekhaya. Ekhaya. At work. Emsebenzini. Emsebenzini. My number is 1234. Inamba yam ithi 1234. Inamba yam ithi 1234. Repeat, please. Nceda, phinda. Nceda, phinda. We do not have a landline or telephone at home. Asinayo ifoni ekhaya. Asinayo ifoni ekhaya. Do you have a cell phone? Unayo iselfoni? Unayo iselfoni? Yes, I do have one. Ewe, ndinayo. Ewe, ndinayo. What is the number? Ithini inamba? Ithini inamba? The number is ... Inamba ithi ... Inamba ithi ... No, I do not have one. Hayi, andinayo. Hayi, andinayo. Email. Do you have email? Unayo i-email. Unayo i-email. Yes, I do have. Ewe, ndinayo. Ewe, ndinayo. What is your email address? Ithini idilesi ye-email yakho? Ithini idilesi ye-email yakho? It is et ... et ... I do not have email. Andinayo email. Andinayo email. And that concludes this video. Enkosi.